Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be telling you how to insert all type of chart in MS Excel. So let's start. Now as you can see, I have created three chart over here. One is product detail, second mark sheet, and third is population. So we will be making three charts over here, three different type of charts. So yeah, so first what we need to do is we need to select the chart. So we need to select the data, our data, then we will make chart. First select the data, then insert tab, then here is the option of charts. So now you can select chart according to your wish. You can select bar chart or pie chart. There are so many options over here. So for this I will be selecting 2D bar 2D bar chart. Okay, 2D bar chart. So yes, this one, this one, this clustered bar. Here you can see the name written over here, clustered chart. Okay, so yes, just click it, click on that clustered chart. Yes, that's it. So now you can see our chart is ready. Now we can adjust it. Yeah, here it is. We can resize it. That's it. Now we will give this chart a title. This is product detail, so we will write product detail over here. Product detail. Yes, done. So once we made our chart, then there will be some tools will show up. They are chart tools, like one is our design and format. Okay, so we can change our chart style like this. There are some styles of our chart. Okay, then color, we can change colors. You can see the color is changing over here in the chart. Yes, like this. Then we can add element on the chart element, that is called like axis title is already over here. This one is title, chart title, sorry, this one is axis title. Here is axis title over here. Okay, this one is axis title. Vertical and horizontally you can give like in axis title we can write that this is our computer's product, this one is our computer product. So you can write axis title according to your own, whatever your title will be. Chart title, here is the chart title. We have written chart title above the chart. Here we can write in the center, we can overlay it, but I will write above the chart so that you can properly, one can properly see it. And if you don't want any chart title, you can just click on the none. Okay, so yeah, then there is data labels. This is called labels. This one is like 3100 and 1900. Actually the amount. And next is data table. It will show off the table with the table. This is over here. It will just exactly the same table we can make over here. This is called data table. If you want it, okay, you can make. It is not necessary. Though we have chart over table over here, so we don't need to make one more chart, one more table. Like this, there are so many element over here. You can just edit your chart according to your own. And here are some layout of the chart. You can see. Okay, here are some of the layout. This is the color. We can change color according to our own. And and this is a chart style. I don't want to give any style on this, so just leave it like this. Switch row and column. Switch row and column, like this. You just need to click on this. Okay, like this. And select data. You can change the data range. If you want to change the data range that we have selected this range. But if you want to change the range, you can change it. But for that, we need to add on something like mouse. We will add mouse over here, and we will change the amount like 600 or then 800 and 1100. That's it. Now uh, we can select data. Yeah, then okay. Okay, just like you have to select it and then press OK. That is done. Done. Okay, you if after making your chart, you can again you can edit, or you can select any other range. You can add something also on this, like this, that like I add mouse on this, so you can also add something on it. Okay, in the future if you need it, you can add. Once you, it's not like that once you have made your chart, so that's it, you can't edit it, you can't change anything on it. It's not like that. You can select data again according to your own. Okay, and then chart type. So we have made the chart 2D bar chart. Okay, we have made 2D bar chart. If you want to change chart type, you can also change it. You can see, as you can see, there are so many options over here. Okay, so these are like a very messy chart, very messy. So we don't need to make a messy charts, we can make a very simple chart. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Then okay, press OK. Okay, then we have option format. There is nothing specific on this we need to do. Okay, so that's it about it. as so just like this you can make your chart. So now it's time for make chart of mark sheet. So now we will select, as before we selected, now we will select our chart just like this. Okay, now insert. Then now we will make chart a different one, like this one. This chart we will make, this is called clustered column chart. Okay, this is called clustered column chart. Yeah, okay, then okay, we can resize it. As you can see, this very big in size, very large in size. So yeah, that's it, that's all about it. So now as I told you, you can select, you can just change the title over here, and this is mark sheet. Yeah, mark sheet, that's it, that's all about it. If you want to change any style or layout anything on this, you can change it from here, and I told you that before, I have already told you. And now it's time for make chart for population. Now we will select population, and we have already selected our table. So now we will go to insert menu, then we will now I will make chart of this chart we will make, and this is uh, wait for a while. This is line chart. Okay, this one is lines. Yeah, this one I will select. What is the name of stack line? Yeah, this one. Done. And now I will show you how to make pie chart. No, we will not. Now we will make pie chart. Okay, so again we will select the same table, and then we'll go to insert menu, then pie chart. Okay, which pie chart should we make? More pie charts, we can have some options. Okay, this one. Yeah, this one, we will make this one, this one. In this chart the year was not clearly shown, but in this chart our year is completely shown, so we can select this chart, then okay. So yeah, this is our pie chart. Now you can see it is done. So just like that you can make your chart according to your own, according to your you can change the chart style, their element, their layout. Okay, yeah, that's all about it. I hope this video will help you, and if it does, then please like and share and comment, and please, most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Okay, Allah Hafiz.